So this is the cold hard truth that real estate agents need to hear, even if they don't want to hear it. I don't know why you're wasting your time looking at software programs and new trainings and new ads and new marketing campaigns. The fact is, if you want to increase your real estate business, you have to improve the value of what you offer to the marketplace. I want you to think about this for 1 second. I want you to really ponder this question. Why should I use you as my buyer's agent instead of using my buddy who's a realtor? Now, things you're not allowed to say are, I really care about your business, or I know about the market, or I can run comps for you, or, I'm a really good negotiator. Because my friend's going to tell me all those things as well. So I find that a lot of real estate agents are spending all of their time researching all these new programs, and maybe I should try this, and how much is that? And their first question is, how much is it? And the second one is, how do I get out of the contract? They're trying to back out before they even get in, and the reason for that is they've wasted so much money on all of the latest, greatest things that are available. The fact is, if you don't have a really good offer that the buyers and sellers are going to be attracted to, it doesn't matter how many leads you generate, all of the leads will have no interest in what you offer. You're going to consistently hear things like, I'm not interested, we're not in a big hurry, we already have somebody to represent us, we probably won't be moving for the next couple of years, or worse, how did you get my information? Right? They have no interest in what it is that you're offering. So whether you're working with buyers or even if you're working with sellers, why should they choose you in lieu of all other options? If you don't have a good answer to that, they should choose someone else. I'll promise you, in your marketplace, there's agents that will put it on the MLS for $500. So if you don't improve what it is that you're offering to the general public, I don't care how many leads you buy, how many new lead sources you look at, or you buy the new latest, greatest software program that'll send 100 emails and 15 texts. It's not going to convert because they don't want what it is that you offer. If you go to getfastclosings.com, you're going to see some very good offers that you can use and how to put them in front of motivated prospects, people that are looking to buy or sell right now. And if you have a good offer going to the right people, you're going to start making a heck of a lot more money. You don't need technology. You don't need to be confused by all the things you believe you need in today's marketplace, when in reality, it's not going to help because they don't want what you offer. I'm going to show you how to increase your value to the general public, and more importantly, exactly how to generate immediate closings for yourself. Go to getfastclosings.com and you'll see it for yourself.